The ocean is about to get a lot more dangerous. In 2025, the US will launch 10 of the most powerful warships it has ever built. These ships are fast, heavily armed, and designed for the next generation of warfare. But wait until you see which one tops the list. At number 10, we have the USS Buganville, one of the deadliest amphibious assault ships the US has ever built. This America-class vessel is a floating war base, measuring 844 feet long with a beam of 106 feet and displacing about 45,000 tons. Designed to send Marines straight into combat, Buganville features a full-length flight deck and a weld deck to launch LCACs and LCUs. It's powered by gas turbines with auxiliary diesel generators, giving it enough thrust to hit over 22 knots. The ship's steel armor and reinforced bulkheads make it tough under fire. For defense, it's loaded with RIM 116 rolling airframe missiles, evolved Sea Sparrow missiles, Phalanx Argus, and multiple 50-caliber machine guns. It can operate F-35B stealth fighters, MV-22B Ospreys, and M-60 helicopters. Buganville is also the first in its class to fully support V-22 maintenance and has a strengthened flight deck made specifically for F-35B operations. This isn't just a ship, it's a mobile airbase, ready to lead assaults anywhere on Earth. At number 9 is the USS Argus, the first Heritage-class cutter joining the U.S. Coast Guard. It's 360 feet long, 54 feet wide, and displaces 3,800 tons, built for long-range missions on open seas. It runs on 2 high-performance diesel engines, reaching speeds of 24.5 knots and covering 10,200 nautical miles at 14 knots. But Argus is more than just a patrol ship, it's combat-ready. It's armed with a 57mm Mk 110 gun, a 25mm autocannon, and several 50-caliber machine guns. For missile defense, it features Sub-Sea Giraffe radar, electronic warfare tech, and NULK decoys. Ballistic armor protects key zones, a rare feature in Coast Guard ships. It also supports M60 or MH-65 helicopters and drones from its hangar and helipad. With Argus, the Coast Guard enters a new level of firepower, range, and threat readiness. At number 8, we go underwater with the USS Iowa, a Virginia-class fast attack submarine and one of the Navy's most lethal platforms. It's 377 feet long with a 34-foot beam and displaces 7,800 tons. Powered by an S9G nuclear reactor and auxiliary diesel engine, it can stay submerged for up to 3 months. Iowa is built for silent, surgical strikes. Its pressure-resistant hull uses acoustic stealth tech to avoid detection. It carries 12 vertical launch tubes for Tomahawk cruise missiles and 4 torpedo tubes for MiG-48 heavyweight torpedoes. It can destroy enemy ships, subs, and even land targets with precision. Inside, it houses advanced sonar, surveillance gear, and can launch unmanned underwater vehicles. The USS Iowa is a silent predator, built to hit hard and vanish without a trace. Number 7 is the USS Massachusetts, another Virginia-class fast attack submarine built to dominate the deep. At 377 feet long and 34 feet wide, it displaces 7,800 tons. Like the Iowa, it's powered by the S9G reactor and a backup diesel engine, allowing it to remain submerged for 3 months. Massachusetts travels at 25 knots and carries 12 vertical launch tubes for Tomahawk cruise missiles and 4 torpedo tubes for MiG-48 torpedoes. Its hull is pressure-resistant and stealth-coated, making it nearly impossible to detect. It also features advanced sonar and can deploy unmanned vehicles for surveillance and mine detection. With stealth, strike range, and next-gen tech, this submarine is a deadly ghost lurking in the depths. At number 6, the USS Idaho continues the legacy of the Virginia class as a top-tier underwater threat. It's 377 feet long, 34 feet across, and displaces 7,800 tons. Like its sister subs, it runs on the S9G nuclear reactor and can operate submerged for 3 months. It reaches 25 knots and is armed with 12 vertical launch tubes for Tomahawks and 4 torpedo tubes for MiG-48 torpedoes. Idaho's pressure-resistant hull and stealth design let it move undetected in deep waters. Inside, it carries elite sonar, surveillance systems, and supports unmanned underwater missions. Idaho isn't just a submarine. It's a strategic ghost designed to dominate any ocean without being seen. At number 5 is the mighty U.S. John F. Kennedy, the second Gerald R. Ford-class aircraft carrier. This nuclear-powered giant stretches 1,106 feet in length, with a beam of 134 feet at the waterline and 256 feet across the flight deck. It displaces 100,000 long tons and is built to project air power across the globe. Powered by two A-1B nuclear reactors driving 4 shafts, it has unlimited range and can reach speeds over 30 knots. Kennedy's defenses include RIM-116 rolling airframe missiles, evolved Sea Sparrow missiles, phalanx CIWs, and 50 caliber machine guns. But its real firepower is in its air wing. It can carry more than 80 aircraft, including S/A-18 Super Hornets, F-35C stealth jets, EA-18G Growlers, and E-2D Hawkeys. Its advanced radar systems, electromagnetic launch system, and upgraded weapons elevators allow for faster, more lethal air operations. U.S. John F. Kennedy isn't just a carrier. It's a fully mobile airbase built to dominate skies from any sea. At number 4 is the U.S. Harvey C. Barnum Jr., a Flight IA Arleigh-Burke-class guided missile destroyer. It's 513 feet long with a beam of 66 feet and displaces 9,217 tons. Powered by 4 LM-2500 gas turbines, it reaches 31 knots and can sail 4,400 nautical miles at 20 knots. Armed with 96 vertical launch cells, it can fire Tomahawk cruise missiles, SM-2s, and ESSMs. It also has a 5-inch MiG-45 naval gun, phalanx CIWs, and 2 Mark 32 triple torpedo tubes for anti-submarine warfare. Kevlar armor protects key internal zones, enhancing survivability. The ship is built for multi-role combat, fleet defense, surface strike, and subhunting. It supports Mi-60R Seahawk helicopters and includes hangars, radar, and electronic systems for full-spectrum warfighting. U.S. Harvey C. Barnum Jr. brings heavy firepower and versatility to any battle group, standing ready to engage on all fronts. Taking the number 3 spot is the U.S. Louis A. Wilson Jr., a next-gen Flight II Arleigh-Burke-class destroyer built for modern naval warfare. Measuring 513 feet long with a beam of 66 feet, it displaces 9,217 tons and reaches speeds of 31 knots, powered by 4 LM-2500 gas turbines. It shares its size and firepower with earlier models, but what sets it apart is the upgraded N/S-6 radar, giving it sharper detection, tracking, and missile defense capabilities. The ship carries 96 VAWS cells ready to launch Tomahawk cruise missiles, SM-2s, ESSMs, and anti-submarine rockets. It's also equipped with a 5-inch MiG-45 gun, phalanx CIWs, and 2 triple torpedo launchers. Kevlar armor shields vital areas for added protection in combat. It supports Mi-60R Seahawks and features advanced sensors and electronic warfare systems. Wilson Jr. brings precision and adaptability to the fleet, making it a leader in multi-domain operations. Racing in at number 2 is the U.S. Cleveland, a Freedom-class littoral combat ship designed for speed and coastal dominance. This agile warship measures 388 feet in length, 58 feet wide, and displaces 3,410 metric tons. Powered by a combined diesel and gas system, it reaches speeds over 40 knots, making it one of the fastest warships afloat. Cleveland is tailored for missions in shallow waters, where larger ships can't operate. It's armed with a 57mm MiG-110 gun, RIM-116 ram, 30mm chain guns and Hellfire missiles, and also features a 150kW high-energy laser to take down close-range threats. Its lightweight aluminum structure gives it agility, while its modular design allows quick changes for surface combat, mine warfare, or subhunting. With flight deck space for helicopters and drones, U.S. Cleveland is built for flexible, high-speed operations near contested shorelines. Topping the list at number 1 it is the U.S. Pierre, an Independence-class littoral combat ship and the fastest warship the U.S. Navy will commission in 2025. With a length of 418 feet, a beam of 104 feet, and a displacement of 3,104 metric tons, Pierre is built for speed, agility, and rapid response warfare. It's powered by a combination of diesel engines, gas turbines, and water jet propulsion, giving it a blistering top speed of 47 knots, making it the quickest surface combatant in the U.S. fleet. Armed with a 57mm MiG-110 main gun, The ship also features an evolved CRAM missile launcher for air defense and multiple 50-caliber machine guns for close-in protection. Its lightweight aluminum and steel trimaran hull allows greater stability and maneuverability in shallow waters, giving it a serious edge in coastal zones. Pierre can carry two H-60R or M-60S Seahawk helicopters and operate drones for surveillance and targeting. With advanced radar and electronic warfare systems, it's not just fast, it's smart. Whether it's hunting submarines, clearing mines, or launching surprise attacks, USS Pierre is built for speed, precision, and dominance in the world's most contested waters. The future of naval warfare is being built right now, and these 10 warships prove it. They're fast, fierce, and built to dominate every ocean they enter. Subscribe for more high-impact military videos, drop a like, share with fellow defense fans, and let us know in the comments which ship you'd bet on.